In the scorching heat of summer, if you're longing for a breath of cool and refreshing comfort, all you need is the revolutionary PenClab 2-in-1 air conditioner. Compact and portable, it's easy to move anywhere and quick to install in your windows. PenClab offers both cooling and heating options, operates efficiently, and is energy-saving. Experience rapid cooling in just 10 seconds. With various control settings, your comfort is literally at your fingertips. The design ensures a comfortable airflow with wide-angle distribution and cooling capacity for greater air volume, ensuring coolness reaches every corner. Experience a clean and refreshing atmosphere at home with the dehumidifying feature. It also features negative ion purification, so you can breathe fresh air anytime, anywhere. Cooling and comforting your home, enhancing your life's comfort. Lightweight and easy to handle, it instantly dispels the heat. Whether you're indoors or outside, making every spot a cool haven. Creating your personal cool zone is that simple. Its ultra-quiet operation lets you enjoy peaceful and cool moments, bringing happiness wherever you go. PenClab, turn every day into a breeze, banishing the cruel summer anywhere, anytime.